Greetings. Welcome to lecture number 6. So in this lecture we will see multiplication of a number with a series of nines, a number or any number. See, the general perception is that higher the number of nines, the tougher it will be to calculate. However, the truth is exactly the opposite. Yeah, higher the number of nines, it is very simple to calculate. Okay, see, for example, what we want to see in this case is this: you take any number, for that matter, you take any number, and multiply this by a series of nines. You take series of nines. You can take 100 nines or 1000 nines, doesn't matter. You know what? Any number multiplied by series of nines, the answer will be, in no time you will get answer. Answer will be in no time. It's very simple. You get in 5 seconds approximately. Yeah. So now this technique, whatever technique we are going to unlock now, this technique is divided into 3 cases. So we are going to divide our technique into 3 cases. So case 1, what is case 1? So case 1 is this: multiply a given number. Okay, so we take something in the multiplicand, that is our given number, multiply a given number with an equal number of nines. For example, say like this. For example, say you have something like 654. Say we have multiplicand 654, we have 3 digits in this number. So if you multiply by 999, yeah, see, multiplying a given number with an equal number of nines. So 3 digits here also we have 3 digits. This is case 1. And case 2 is multiplying a given number, with a higher number of nines. Higher number of, this as here indicates number of, so higher number of nines. For example, say you have let's take 654, and say we are multiplying this by, say, 4 nines. So here we have digits 3 in number, here we have 4 digits. Okay, in this case, how to deal with this technique? And in the same technique we have case 3, that is what? Multiply a given number, with a lower number of nines. So now multiplier, number of digits in the multiplier is less than number of digits in the multiplicand. Okay, multiplying a given number with a lower number of nines. That's it. So to unlock this technique, you multiply any number by series of nines, you are going to get answer in 5 seconds or less than 5 seconds, whatever. So to do this, let's undergo these 3 cases now. Okay, so now case 1, let me take one more slide. So let me take one more slide now. Case 1 we will see. Let's take case 1. Let's take same example. You have 654 multiplied by 999. So if I take its answer, in no time I get the answer. You see, answer is 653,346. That's it. So answer is 653,346. How did we do this? It is really simple. Let me take another color. Just a minute. Okay. Let me take, I have this color. So how did we get this? How did we get this? It is straightforward, you see. Now what we have done is, you have two steps here. You subtract 1. Subtract 1 from 654. Yeah, that is this. So 654 minus 1 is what? 653. Now whatever we have it here, now the 653, you subtract 653 from 999. That's it. You subtract 653 from 999. I'm writing here not, this is very important, not 654. You have to subtract 653 from 999. Now what we get here? So we get 346. Okay, so append this 346 to this number 653, and that's the answer. That's it. Very simple, right? It's straightforward. Let's take example number 2, and let's appreciate the beauty of this Vedic mathematical techniques. So let me take again. Okay, so let me take example number 2. So example number 2 is this. This is example number 1. Okay, say you have 9994 multiplied by 4 9's. See, in this case anyways, multiplicand 994 and multiplier 4 9's, they have same number of digits, 4 digits. Also we have 4 digits. So what answer are we going to get now? Yes, can you work out this? So you get 993 0006, less than 5 seconds, right? I'm getting answer. So what is step A? So A, you subtract from this, sorry, this is number, right? You subtract 1 from this. So what you get? So you have this one, 993. And what is step B? Whatever we get here, this must be subtracted from multiplier. So you have 4 9's. So you subtract 993. So what you get now? 00. This is 6. So just append this number to this number. That's it. That's what we have, right? This is step 1. So this is step 1 and this is step 2. See how simple? Just to compare this with your regular mathematical techniques or traditional mathematical techniques or modern mathematical techniques, it will take a lot of time because things there got saturated. There means in regular mathematics things got saturated. But see, so therefore this is the beauty of Vedic mathematics. You know, the techniques of Vedic mathematics, definitely they will develop a holistic approach in our human brains. Yeah, obviously a holistic development of the human brain automatically takes place with the help of Vedic techniques. So you need not by heart something or memorize something to get something to be done. Okay, so that's it. So we can appreciate this. Now there is one famous example. Yeah, this famous example is taking rounds in the internet and everywhere. This famous example, let me take on the slide, sorry, on the page. Let's go to that example again. Okay, so example number 3 under case 1. So example number 3 under same case 1. Okay, so our example is this: 4 5 6 7 8 9 multiplied by 6 9's. Yeah, what is the answer for this? You subtract 1 from this. You subtract 1 from the multiplicand. 9 minus 1 is 8. Now you subtract this stuff from this 9. So 9 minus 4 is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. Strange, right? This is absolutely strange. So therefore, this is the beauty of again Vedic mathematics. In no time we get the answer. in no time. Okay, you can take similar questions. I can take some other question like this. If I multiply 4 sevens multiplied by 4 nines, then what we get? You subtract 1 from the multiplicand, so you have like this, and then you subtract this quantity from the multiplier, so you have 2 2 3. Very simple. Other example, let's take, so say 65432 multiplied by say 5 nines. So in case 1 we are taking equal number of digits both in multiplicand and multiplier. Okay, so multiplicand is 65432, subtract 1 from it, so 654, you have 31. Okay, first part is done. Then subtract this quantity, then subtract this quantity from this multiplier. Okay, from this multiplier, then you have 3, yes, 4 5 6 8. That's it. Very easy. Last example under case 1. So let's take 90909 multiplied by, okay, so what we get, you subtract 1 from this. This is multiplicand, right? You subtract 1 from this, 90, you have 908. Now you subtract this quantity from this multiplier, so what you get now? 0 9 0 9 1. Yeah, I hope you understood this one. It's very simple. So what we are doing is we are subtracting this quantity 90908. Whatever we got here, subtract now. So this is 190, this is 9, this is 0. So just append this quantity to this number. This is the final answer. Yeah, so you have to take some time to input these numbers, multiplicand and multiplier, onto Calc. Even less than that, yeah, the time what we require is less than that to get this answer. So this is all about case 1. Let's go for case 2. Case 2 is what? You have to multiply a number. So case 2 is this. So case 2 is multiplying a number. You take a number, you multiply a number with a higher number of nines. So multiply a number with a higher number of nines. So then what do we get in this case? For example, say, let's take some example like this. Let's take example, say 45 multiplied by, you have 999. So in the multiplicand we have 2 digits, in the multiplier we have 3 digits. So in this case what we do is that multiplicand also will try to make digits 3. So we will take 0 here before 4 5. Now we multiply this by 999. Now you will understand the significance of 0 here. Now again same story. You subtract 1 from this multiplicand, then what we get? 044. Okay, and again you subtract this stage 1 answer, that is 044, from the multiplier 999. Then what you get? 9 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 4, 5. Again 5. That's the answer. Simple. Now we can discard this 0 here. Okay, that's it. So see how simple it is. So 045 is there, right? You subtract 1 from it. That is again same thing we have done, right? 044. And now whatever we obtain here, you subtract this from 999. So you subtract 044 from 999. So you get 955. Just append this number to this number. Now you get 044955. This is equal to what? 44955. That's it. This is very simple, right? Let's go for second example. Let's change again this marker color. Let me go to other color now. Okay, so let's go for this second example. Say you have 888 multiplied by, you have say 4 nines. See, multiplying a number is in this case say 888 with a higher number of nines. Here we have digits 3, here we have digits 4. So now you have to multiply this. Then what you do? Again, same as before. So let's make digits same in both the cases of multiplicand and multiplier. Let me put here deliberately 0 in this case. Now subtract 1 from this multiplicand. So if I subtract 1, I have this one. Now you subtract stage 1 answer from this multiplier. So 9 minus 0 is what now? 9. Now 9 minus 8, 1. Again this 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. That's it. Easy, right? The final answer is what? 8879112. We can discard this 0 end of the day. Doesn't matter here, okay? So like that you can do any example. Now the difference of the digits here, here we have digits 3 in the initial case, here we have 4. So difference is now 4 minus 3 is 2. If I take even more, if I take difference 2, then what I want to say is this. Let me take difference 2. Say you have 123 here. In the 123 we have as multiplicand, and now you have as multiplier we have like this. Okay, so digits 5 in number, and here we have 3 in number. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Difference of digits between multiplicand and multiplier we have as 2 now. So in this case what you do? So first of all we have to modify this like this. So 0 0 1 2 3 multiplied by, that's it. Yeah, simply we made a number of digits in the multiplicand and multiplier as same. Okay, now let me take another color. Okay, let me take now high wavelength color. Highest wavelength color is what? Red color, right? So let's multiply these two. Red color has very low frequency and highest wavelength, so therefore we could see red color clearly. Yeah, so therefore red color is visible from farther distances. So therefore at the back of vehicles you always see red color bulbs, right? So anyways let's try to finish this first. Now anyway, same stuff. You subtract 1 from this multiplicand, so you have 0 0 1 2 2. That's it. Now whatever you have, you subtract this from this multiplier. So multiplier is what you have there. So I have 5 9's. Stage 1 answer we obtained 0 1 1 2. Now we subtract 9 9 8 7 7. So just append it here, 9 9 8 7 7. That's it. This is the answer, and then we can discard these 2 zeros. End of the day you have 1 2 2 9 8 7 7. This is the number you have. Okay, like this you can perform any number of examples, so there is no big deal in this. Let's take one last example for this. So one last example we'll take. Let me use another color again. So let me take this color. Let me write here. Say you have 1 0 1 0 1. Don't wait on me. Meanwhile you can try this. Say you have let me take 7 9's. Okay, so number of digits in the multiplicand is 5 and number of digits in the multiplier is 7. Okay, so now what you do? So as we have digits 5 in the multiplicand, so you just take 2 zeros here. Okay, now multiplicand has how many? So 5 plus 2 7 digits like multiplier. Okay, so same stuff, you subtract 1 from this, so you get 0 0 1 0 1 0, just becomes 0. If I subtract 1 from this, so 1 minus 1 is 0. Now again what you do? You subtract this stuff from this number. So 9 minus 0 is what? 9. Again 9 minus this 0 is again 9. 9 minus this 1 is 8. Now 9 minus this 0 is 9. Again 9 minus this 1 is 8. 9 minus this 0 is 9. And 9 minus this 0 is 9. That's it. Happy, right? This is see. Therefore, I told you already. You will fall in love with Vedic mathematics because you know this Vedic mathematics will develop a clarity of thought. Always, it will develop a clarity of thought, and it will never create any pressure on you. Learning mathematics will be joyful, for sure. Okay, so therefore this technique, whatever technique we have as of now, this technique is not only simple, yeah, this technique is not only simple and easy to follow as well, yeah, easy to follow as well. It's of course, it also enables one to calculate the answer in the mind itself. Yes or not, whatever it is, I can calculate my stuff within my mind. Everything I can do in my mind, yeah. So that's it. So therefore we could say this is the uniqueness. So this is the uniqueness of these systems, Vedic mathematics systems. Yeah, happy, very happy, hooray. Yeah, so let's go for case 3. Now we have the last case, that is 3. So let me take, just give me some 2 seconds. Meanwhile I will take one more, just give me 2 seconds. I will take okay. I'm back again. So I'm back. Now case 3 is this. What is our case 3? Case 3 is, for now, what we do in case 3 is, actually case 3 we have to follow Nicolam Sutra to its fullest potential. So in this case, multiplying a number. In case 3 what we do, we multiply a number with a lower number of 9's. We multiply a number with a lower number of 9's in case 3. Now of course case 3 is a separate technique. For this in Vedic mathematics we require the knowledge, the complete knowledge of Nicolam Sutra. Yeah, so we require the complete knowledge of this Nicolam Sutra, the beautiful sutra, and we will unlock this Nicolam Sutra completely in our subsequent lectures. But for now we will take things as granted, and we'll go for a general way of solving this case 3, and I'll show you how Nicolam Sutra is applicable in dealing these kinds of situations in Vedic mathematics in our subsequent lectures, as I mentioned you before in this lecture. Okay, so we will exercise normal practices of instant multiplication in this case 3. So let's take again same example. Say you have your first example, 654 multiplied by, say, initially we took 999, now we will take say 2 9's. In multiplicand we have digits 3 in number, in multiplier we have digits 2 in number. So multiplier digits are less than multiplicand digits in this case. So now in normal practices we exercise this way, right, to multiply this. Say 654, this 99, whatever you have, just take this way, 100 minus 1. So you have now 65400 minus what you have now, 654. So you subtract this, so you get 64746. That's it. Yeah. So anyways, we will exercise Nicolam Sutra very soon, but for now we have to take this as granted. Okay. So for example, let's take second example. Now example number 2, say 800. Okay, so this is what, 80,020 multiplied by 999. So now what you do now? So this one we do like this. So 8 80,020 multiplied by this one, we'll take it as 1000 minus 1. Okay, so now just multiply these two first. So what we get now? So 80020, add this, append these 3 zeros here. So multiply, I mean this is 80,020 multiplied by -1. So 1 2 3 4 5. So I'll write here now 80020. Okay, you subtract, this is 0. Now this is, I'll just take 1 from it, 10 minus 2 8, and this becomes say 199. 9 minus 0, this is 9, this is 9. Now I'll just get 1 from this, so this is 799, this becomes 11. I'm doing normal subtraction, you are very familiar in this, I know. So 11 minus 8, 3, and 799, that's it. So anyways, we will appreciate this in our phase 2, that is we exercise this using Nikilam Sutra. Okay, so that's it for today. Yeah, please do subscribe. We have wonders to do with Vedic mathematics in our subsequent lectures. The beauty of this mathematics cannot be expressed in words. So please do watch lectures until end, and please do subscribe, okay, so that we can do more and more and more and more. Anyways, and please do watch from the very first lecture, so that you can maintain some connectivity among lectures one after the other. So that's it for today. So swasti.